Today we're going to talk about our ProBar 5 and 8 way, our high quality bonding bars for carrying out supplementary equipotential bonding in distribution systems in accordance with British standards. The use of our very high quality RF connectors in these products ensure almost transparent, low standing wave ratio connections right up to the high satellite IF frequencies. Also useful for general purpose signal interconnecting and patching purposes. Available in 1, 2, 5 and 8 way models, very high quality grade back-to-back F couplers ensure excellent 75 ohm impedance matching and low insertion loss for minimum signal disturbance. Blocks have a screw terminal connection accepting conductors up to 10mm square. The bar have substantial 5mm studs for bonding connections up to 6mm square using a standard crimp ring terminal. Our bars have an insertion loss of typically 0.2 dB and a return loss of 21 dB.